What is keto diet and does it work? I'm going to be answering those two questions in this video. Keep watching. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm your favorite girl, the Niger Dentist. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. In this video, I'm going to be answering the simple question, does keto work? But before we go on, what is keto? Keto is currently one of the most popular diets in the world presently, in which the body is driven into a state of ketosis. How is that achieved? Okay, let's start from the origin. The body can run on two different fuels. One is sugar, derived from carbohydrates in your pasta, in your eba, in your bread, in your potatoes. And two, the body can run on fat. Fat from egg, olive oil, and avocado. Keto diet is extremely low in carbohydrate, such that when the body runs out of sugar from carbohydrates, it is first to burn the fat in the body. This is a state whereby the body releases, the liver goes into an overdrive and releases ketones, an energy molecule that the body uses instead of deriving its energy from carbs. In this state, we say the body is in a state of ketosis, whereby you can even burn fat when you're sleeping. Hence the name keto diet, ketogenic diet. Now to the big question, does keto work? I'm going to be answering this question using research. A study conducted on 83 obese patients who were placed on keto diet showed a significant decrease in their weight and in their BMI. So in that study, it is safe to say that keto worked. I further checked out two literature reviews, in which one was by the National Lipid Association, and the result was intriguing. The result found out that keto could actually help you lose weight more than the conventional weight loss within the first 2 to 6 months. This advantage, however, is gone after 12 months. So on the long run, the conventional weight loss and keto weight loss help you lose weight the same way. Two literature reviews have confirmed this. So then, is it worth it not taking carbs at all? Okay, fine. Now we understand that keto works. I think it's safe to state that keto is best to kickstart, since on the long run, the conventional weight loss and keto weight loss actually gives you the same result, which was seen over a year duration. Another interesting fact is that keto helps children with epilepsy. It reduces their seizures by about 50%. Whoa, that's interesting. Yes, 50%, and I think that's really worth looking into. But then that begs the question, this keto thing, is it a lifestyle? Is it sustainable? Consuming so much fat, does it clog your arteries? Is it okay for diabetes? These are a lot of questions that need answers. And guess what? I will be answering some of these questions in my next video. Make sure to stay tuned. And have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, do so right now. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you would know when I upload. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you put a smile on somebody's face. Alright guys, bye.